Assalamu alaikum and good day. My name is Iman Tfail and today I'm going to present to you my topic, which is sedimentary structures and their significance. Firstly, let's start by identifying sedimentary structures. Sedimentary structures are physical features that form in sedimentary rocks during or shortly after deposition. These structures can provide valuable information about the processes that formed the rock and the environment where the rock formed. Next is my objectives, which I'm going to focus on during this presentation. Firstly is to investigate common sedimentary structures. Secondly, to understand the significance of sedimentary structures in reservoir quality assessment. And finally, to discuss their role in hydrocarbon entrapment. Next, we have common sedimentary structures. Firstly, we have mud cracks, which are cracks formed as muddy sediments dry or contract. They indicate some exposure to air, suggesting a depositional environment that dried out, like a riverbed, lake, or coastal mudflat. Also, they can provide information about the direction of sediment transport and information about the sediment's grain size and consistency. Secondly is cross bedding, which is a structure that consists of inclined layers within a large bed of sediment. Cross bedding forms in environments with a strong current flow, such as rivers, deltas. The direction of the layers can reveal some information about the direction of water or wind flow at the time of the deposition. Thirdly, we have ripple marks, which are linear features formed by the action of current or waves on the sediment, providing insights into the flow characteristics and the depositional environment. The fourth sedimentary structure is raindrop impressions, which are the small pits or pumps that are formed by the impact of raindrops on a soft sediment. They indicate exposure to the atmosphere and can sometimes help in determine the intensity of the rainfall. And sometimes they might be formed because of gas bubbles, not of raindrops. The fifth sedimentary structure is soil mark, which is a small feature that are found in the bottoms of sedimentary layers, including flute casts and tool marks. They are often formed by turbulent flow and can indicate the direction of current flow, and they are commonly found in deep sea environments. And the sixth one is imbrication, which is a stack of large and usually flat clasts, cobbles, gravels, mud chips. They are aligned in the direction of fluid flow, which can reveal some information about the fluid flow at the time of the deposition. The clasts may be stacked in rows with their edges dipping down. The seventh one we have is biogenic activity, which are structures resulting from the life activities of the organisms like burrows, reefs, and mounds. They provide evidence of the type of organisms that were present and their interactions with the sediment, indicating conditions like water depth, oxygen levels. And the last one is fossil tracks and trails, which are impressions left by the movement organisms. They can reveal presence and type of life, the behavior of organisms, and sometimes the environmental conditions. Next is significance of the sedimentary structures in reservoir quality assessment. Sedimentary structures can significantly impact the initial reservoir quality by creating preferential flow patterns in the reservoirs, which can influence parameters like effective porosity and permeability. Diagnosis can affect reservoir quality by altering porosity, permeability, and the connectivity of pore spaces. Planar bedding, laminations, stratification features can contribute to stratified planar flow, and permeability barriers enhance the impact on flow behavior within the reservoirs. So here's a figure that shows the evolution of sedimentary rock texture that are influenced by deposition and the processes that it goes through. Next is petrophysical methods for assessment, or how can we assess the impact on reservoir quality. Various techniques are used, ranging from macroscopic to microscopic methods. Methods include log analysis, petrophysical core analysis, core description, thin section analysis, and scanning electron microscopy. Evaluate reservoirs' potential for hydrocarbon storage and deliverability, critical for determining economic viability in sandstone and carbonate reservoirs, and it can address the challenges in predicting porosity and permeability influenced by sedimentary structures. Next is the role of sedimentary structures in hydrocarbon entrapment. Sedimentary structures like bedding planes, cross bedding, ripple marks crucial for hydrocarbon entrapment as well as biogenic activity, influencing porosity, permeability, and fluid flow characteristics in reservoir rocks. As we mentioned before, it creates preferential flow paths, barriers, and traps for hydrocarbons. Cross-bedding and ripple marks indicate ancient currents, aiding in understanding the hydrocarbon migration through time. Biogenic sedimentary structures acts as favorable sites for hydrocarbon entrapment. Diagnetic processes like cementation, dissolution significantly impact the reservoir porosity and permeability, which can affect the process of hydrocarbon entrapment. Overall, integral to understanding hydrocarbon entrapment, influencing the distribution and the accumulation within the reservoir. So, in conclusion, the sedimentary structures stands as a key indicators that unravel geological story that is embedded within rock formations. The significance of sedimentary structures is in the assessment of reservoir quality is undeniable. They not only provide insights to the depositional environment, but also they play a crucial role in influencing the initial reservoir quality and affect the reservoir properties. Here are the references that I used while preparing my slides for my topic. And that's all from me. Thank you.